Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write my signature on a publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to write my signature in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the shape drop down menu and choose the free from keybill shape. Then click OK. Now we can see we get a pencil. Now we write my signature to use this pencil. Now we can see we write my signature, this publisher document, very easily. You can resize this signature and set in any size. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.